So I had a great idea today. Power loop the McDonald's golden arches. That'd be actually kind of sick. No, I'm definitely stuck up in there. We're stuck up in the arch. So ever since I got my analog set up, my goggles, my BetaFPV Meteor 75 Pro, the biggest and most obvious trade-off when switching from digital to analog is obviously the image quality. If I can fight through the breakup, then I'm gonna be just fine with this because my confidence in general has just been through the roof. I feel like I'm doing right now that I could have never done. So I started looking for some cool areas to fly around in. I've been driving around for an hour or so running errands, keeping my eye out for some spots that I could fly my drone. But it got me thinking, what if I just park in like an open parking lot that there's not a whole lot of people in and use my car as a bunch of gaps? My car's got windows I can roll down, got doors I can open up. Yeah, let's give that a shot. The first thing that we gotta do though, we've got to change out the antennas on the HDZero goggles. In another video I made, we'll notice that right here it's broken. I'm getting a lot of breakup that I wasn't seeing on my buddy's goggles. I picked up the True RC antennas and I'm gonna swap those out real quick and see if there's a difference. Oh, shit. Probably should plug these up, huh? I can't really see the entry and the exit points, unfortunately. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's do it again. Hey, nice. Here, let's go ahead and just dive this little roof real quick. Everybody watch this video. Let's go into the car. Then see how far we can go without we get. Oh, holy fuck! Let's ride with the birds for a minute, huh? Why not? See if we can go through the window again. See if we can go to the Ralph sign. Well, that's the Ralph sign. Nice. I was trying to land it inside the car, but went straight through. That section was pretty dope, and while I'm standing there, like literally right there, that's when I started eyeballing the McDonald's sign. Ooh, power loop the McDonald's golden arches too? That'd be actually kind of sick. There's no wind right now, this is perfect. So I get set up, I'm ready to go, and that's when I spotted a runner. And I thought to myself, let me get a really cool shot. I'm gonna chase this guy.
Might wanna get footage of the rocket taking off.
A SpaceX rocket launching right in front of me. Thanks for the heads up. Yo. Hey, that's what he's talking about right there. How cool is that? What are the odds? Then from there, that stillness turned into something else. If I had any doubts before whether or not I can do this, those were all gone. Because if they can do that, then I can do this. We're good. I get right back up, no big deal. We've done this before. That second pass, that was a lot cleaner. It was pretty cool, but it's not a power loop, and I really want to try and get that thing through. Third attempt, I come back through the arch, power up, go back in for the exit, and no. And then I see what I should have definitely been paying attention to before. Literally a wall of needles pointed in every direction. My Meteor 75 Pro is stuck 30 feet up, tangled in a spike trap. I'm definitely stuck up in there. We're stuck up in the arch. One of the things that I'm still getting used to in analog is the image detail. If my eyes were more trained, I definitely would have caught that before. With more time, maybe, but for now, nah, I didn't see it. What I'm more worried about is just burning that thing out, dude. Could that thing overheat? Could it catch on fire? I generally, to be honest with you, have no idea, but I couldn't be sitting here just trying to figure that out. I had to do something about this. Do I have something tall enough to get that thing out? I got an umbrella. What if I just throw this up there though? Nope, that ain't gonna work. And then I remember I have a telescopic pole to be able to dig stuff out for these reasons right here. Dude, I gotta run home. I think I have something that I can get it down with. Oh, poor guy, come on, we gotta get this thing down. I have a really long extender. I really hope I still have it because I'd be just getting rid of it sometimes. I think I probably would have lost the footage because I couldn't disconnect it. So I probably lost the footage too, which would suck. I don't want to think about that right now. I just want to get the drone back. Okay, this is actually a really valid point right here as far as corrupted footage. So if you're an FPV pilot, you've either dealt with this before or you're going to be definitely dealing with this in the near future. If you guys want to see the way I was able to recover this corrupt footage from this video, make sure you check out this video right here. It's a little hack that's going to help all you guys when it comes to recovering this footage. Yes, I got a really long stick. Come on, come on. Let's get this out of here. Is it? No, it's not long enough. Ooh, we got a gobo arm. We got a gobo arm. I don't know if this is gonna be enough though. Okay, we got some length, guys. Oh yeah, we got one more. We're going fishing, boys. I need like an inch, dude. Let's see if we got anything else. Look how small these steps are. Smallest, most dangerous steps. Trying to see if we got anything else. What else do we got? The Tor 20 from this tripod? Damn it, that thing is not gonna work either. Tiny, little steps. I don't think I have anything else. Dude, I got this thing. Could this possibly work? But if I stand under it, it might be long enough. This is the most ridiculous Heck, I can't see anything. I think I feel it though. No, I need someone who can see this thing. I needed eyes on top in order to have somewhat of a chance to be able to recover this drone. So I'm starting to look around to see if there's anybody willing to help. I got a thing stuck. Can you just be my eyes for 1 second? That guy wants nothing to do with this. I can get it, but I just can't see it. You could do, we would be a great team. I just need eyes. Second guy across the lot. Hey bro, hey, woo-hoo! Didn't even respond. I'm trying to get my drone. But the third guy, can I get some assistance real quick? The third guy was about it. You can't really see it from right here, but if you stand right over here, so tell me how close I am. Am I touching it? Do you know if is it moving? See if you can from there. You start to realize that even if you could touch it, all you're doing is you're just pushing it. It's not like it's got fingers. It's not like you can like grab it and pull it out for you.
From there, I don't think you can push it.
I don't think you can. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much, man. That's when I looked up and saw a sign. And it said, Staples. Staples is right across the street. And when I think of Staples, I think of Staples Center. When I think of Staples Center, I think of Kobe.
This is another obstacle. This obstacle cannot define me. It's not going to cripple me. It's not going to be responsible for me stepping away for the game that I love. Mamba mentality. You never quit. You never give up. That's the question. Are they closed?
No, we don't close till 9. You still got about half an hour.
Okay, perfect. What's the move? What's the move? Oh wait, hold on. What is this? Oh, these are long. These are long. This might work. These are kind of long like a pen, and I can just get like a few of them. I don't really know how much these cost. Get some of this tape. Damn! Holy! What did I buy? Okay, it's okay. I'm on a mission. That's what we do. I get back to the scene. I start putting everything back together, and that's when I saw someone that could potentially help me. Can you help me with something real quick? I just kind of need some eyes just in case, because I can't really see it from here. I got a little hook on it. Damn, this thing's heavy.
You mind if I try?
Yeah, for sure.
Try this.
Ooh. Oh, you're right there. Oh, let's reinforce it. Oh, just trial and error. Oh, bro. Oh, it's coming off. And that's when I noticed something right at the corner of my eye, and they could seriously shut down this whole entire operation. As he got closer to the scene of the accident, I realized what his intentions were. He was just curious.
Got a drone stuck up there.
Yeah. It might be you, bro. It might be you.
So maybe if I just...
Oh, bro. You're hooked. You're hooked. Oh. Oh. Let me give it one real quick, because I was feeling it. We make some good progress, and then we push it deeper into the trap. No! No! The hook is broken off and trapped up in there. This just might be the end of the road. I'm just making it worse and potentially getting to the point where I'm damaging more than just my equipment. But we don't quit. We give it another shot. This is getting so frustrating. Every single time that I feel like I'm making progress, I take 5 steps back. But while I'm back there, I might as well get some eyes on where we're at and see how far I push that thing back. It's just further back now. I can still see it, it's just further back. So we're doing the same thing over and over again, so we need to make a plan. So we come up with a 2-person system that hopefully will work this time.
Do you think once you're hooked, you can get closer to the sign and then push up?
One person gets it hooked, then the other person holds the rig for that person as they drop down. And then they hand it off to that person on the bottom, and they're gonna push it up as soon as they get leverage. That's the best plan that we can come up with. Let's see if it works. We fail at that attempt, but we're gonna go ahead and try it again because we're so close.
do what we did last time.
Oh, bro, it's moving, bro. It's moving. It's moving.
Quick cut.
Yeah, bro. I think if you just come up, I think we're chilling. Yeah, bro. Yes! Let's go! Oh my God. Yeah. That's a 12-pound bass right there, baby.
Dopamine rush from that was gonna be
Yo. Yo.
Look, I'll be honest with you. I thought he was security when he first called me over here, and I was like, oh, I always see the security over here. What's up? What they want? I got close and I realized he was just in need. Just use a little blue tape, as long as you had that shit already at your crib, so you know, a little bit of ingenuity. You had the plan. You had all of the supplies. You didn't panic. You don't panic in situations like this. My IG is ACEXXI. I also DJ up in North Hollywood every Friday, Amplify Friday, 9 to 2 a.m. It's free to get in there. Come through, vibe with us. We turn up. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, and if you're out there booking a party, you got any events going on, make sure you hit the homie up right here.
You already know.
Because you already know he goes above and beyond, literally.
I will.
Let's at least see if this thing still powers up. Promising. Okay, we see something at least. Oh, nice, and we're back up. We're back up, guys. Oh my gosh, we're actually chilling now. This whole thing reminded me that when you're flying analog, you have to be able to see through the breakup. It's about training your eyes and being more aware about your surroundings around you. Oh, and also being able to actually hit the gap that you're supposed to be doing. The more time that you spend in your goggles, the more time you're gonna actually naturally be able to see what you're trying to fly through. Those details that you miss when you're first starting out. I still have a lot to learn, but that's exactly why I'm out here. Do we go for it again? Nah, maybe not today, but another day. Get back in the car. If you're on the same journey with analog and you're just starting out, figuring out your setup, making dumb mistakes, go watch this video. That's where I break down how I got started with analog and what gear I'm running. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of really cool videos coming out in the near future, including the one I talked about earlier, where we give you a really cool life hack on how you can fix your corrupt footage. And you guys, you're not gonna wanna miss that one. Peace and love, you guys. Stay safe out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you.